Prepare to be awestruck. The ground will shake, the air will crackle, and your heart will race as these colossal machines conquer the forest. It's a visual and auditory feast you won't want to miss. In Norway, a large spruce tree toppled onto a 22 kilovolt power line, leading workers to blow it up to remove the danger and ensure safety. Whoa, that tree went down with a vengeance. Like it was mad at the logger or something. Good thing he didn't get hurt. That could have been nasty. Let me tell you, this Mazzy 6x6 is a whole different beast. It's got effortless power and conquers any terrain with ease. When it comes to the toughest tasks, this is the machine you need. Absolutely remarkable.
Ай, блядь. Давай. Ой, блядь. Задушили.
This is timber takedown at its finest. The stakes are high, the pressure is on, one wrong move and it's game over. But these guys, they're pros. Watch the teamwork, the focus, the sheer power. It's a battle of man versus nature, and who's gonna win? Stay tuned. The Feakin Australia RT60 is a compact mulcher head designed for mid-sized and smaller skid steers with hydraulic flow rates from 64 to 114 liters per minute. It features a FNMX rotor for fine uniform chips and can clear up to 1 acre per hour, depending on vegetation. Weighing 607 kilograms, it includes 22 cutting tools like the cubit knife and cubit carbide for versatile performance on various terrains. The RT60 is a powerful, efficient solution for land clearing tasks. Man, that dude was going to town on that monster stump. I mean, he was giving it everything he had, and bam, the thing finally gave way. What a beast. This kind of content creation often takes a heavy toll, both on their health and their financial stability. It's a trade-off that warrants deeper scrutiny. The Lemix stump shear, when paired with the impressive hydraulic power of a Hitachi EX200 excavator, becomes a formidable tool for land clearing and site preparation. Its robust design and precisely engineered blades ensure efficient removal of stumps and roots, even in challenging soil conditions. This combination significantly boosts productivity, making it a preferred choice for professionals in forestry, construction, and demolition. This LKT81ITL has such a compact and striking design. It almost looks like a toy, but don't let its appearance fool you, especially when it comes to this skidder. Once you see it in action, you'll witness the raw power of a true beast of a machine. Whoa, that was intense. I really hope his hand is all right. I don't believe the phrase, "united we stand, divided we fall," really fits in this context. Have you ever seen a professional logger in action? It's incredible. They assess a tree as if they can read its mind. Knowing precisely where it will land not only keeps them safe, but also protects the entire crew. Now that's true skill. A compelling example of traditional forestry methods. You can really see the harmony between humans, animals, and machinery here. The horses offer a sustainable power source, perfectly suited for this landscape, while the grapple loader enhances overall efficiency. This approach reduces environmental impact while staying true to proven, time-honored practices. No more dealing with pesky little wood splitters. The Bell's 4000 is here, packing a mighty 67 horsepower engine and a massive saw blade that can easily handle logs up to 20 inches in diameter in no time. On top of that, its enclosed conveyor system delivers the split wood straight to you. Pretty awesome, right? Hauling these giants is a meticulous job. It requires a deep knowledge of the vehicle, sharp attention to road conditions, and a strong respect for the logistics. The drivers make it seem easy, but trust me, it's a high-risk performance. Every move they make is carefully planned, and every mile they cover showcases their outstanding expertise. Sick of those ugly stumps messing up your yard? The JD7730 and Rotor S stump cutter have got you covered. This powerhouse duo tackles stumps of all sizes with ease, leaving your landscape looking fresh and ready for your next project. Wave goodbye to the mess and hello to a stunning, stump-free property. The MrTech Crambo is arguably the leading root stump shredder on the market. Its high-throughput design, combined with aggressive teeth and a powerful engine, ensures efficient and reliable performance even with the toughest stumps. Durability is also a key feature, thanks to the Crambo's robust construction and wear-resistant components. The Ponzi Ergo, an icon in forestry. Built for unmatched reliability, it boasts a 250-degree turning radius and an impressive 11-meter crane reach. Whether it's thinning or regeneration felling, even on steep slopes, its powerful winch gets the job done. Productivity through the roof. Of course, the quintessential log drive. Watch as those massive trucks, loaded with timber, roll into the staging area at Snass Lake. This is where the real excitement kicks off. Each log is carefully released into the water, coming together to create a massive raft, ready to embark on a challenging journey to the mills. Everyone's looking for a machine that's strong, dependable, and user-friendly, right? Well, Vermeer listened. The HG6800TX checks all the boxes. It's built tough to handle any task, smart enough to get it done efficiently, and rugged enough to keep performing day in and day out. This is the one you've been waiting for. Let's be honest, dealing with tree stumps can be a real hassle. But with the MrTech Piranha, it's as easy as a Sunday stroll. This machine is built for peak performance, featuring a state-of-the-art grinding head that tackles stumps of any size with ease. Take it from me, an arborist with 2 decades of experience, this tool is the game changer you've been waiting for. Picture this, you're slicing through logs with ease. No hassle, no hard work. That's the Hockey Pilka 43 Pro in action. Built with the user at its core, it takes the effort out of firewood production. Thanks to its smart controls and durable construction, this machine is a true game changer for both seasoned pros and everyday users. When you see the Ponzi Scorpion, you instantly know it's extraordinary. It's like blending the brilliance of nature with cutting-edge engineering. That robust harvester head and the smooth motion of the cabin are all designed for safe, efficient work. This machine doesn't just perform, it truly makes an impression, doesn't it? This vehicle's performance is a testament to the engineer's dedication to optimizing both engine output and chassis dynamics. The driver's skillful execution of downshifts further maximizes the car's potential. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. The Woodcracker G Series isn't just a clearing rake, it's a game-changing tool for forest management. By expertly handling logging debris, it helps pave the way for reforestation, enhances soil health, and minimizes fire risks.
You get that?
When you get paid by the hour,
How much longer? Clay's tree service.
We don't know where. It's got 30% and the front's up to the top of the bunk, so.
check out the Vanguard 1028 loader, a powerhouse in the logging world. Built for strength and precision, this machine effortlessly handles massive logs weighing up to 4,000 pounds.
That one might not make it. It's got that dark heart in it there. See that color? That center there. We're getting the load down to the last few. There's a few on the back. I don't know if I'll trim a few off it. A little too long.
Take a moment to appreciate the T800 truck's steer axle as it tackles this hefty load with ease. It's a true showcase of the rugged engineering and impressive performance these machines deliver.
Yeah, one of those a day and you wouldn't have to work your whole 40-year career. So.
The Sydney TB 1000 tree shear is built to handle it all, cut, section, and clear trees effortlessly. With a 100-degree rotating head, it offers unmatched versatility. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for mini excavators and backhoes, capable of tackling 10-inch hardwoods. Equipped with a universal mounting plate, and if you need a custom mount, we've got you covered. Priced at just $8,880, the TB 1000 is the perfect tool for the job. The sounds of logging are as unforgettable as the sights. If you want to experience more of this auditory adventure, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll keep the adrenaline pumping with more epic videos.